I used to wake up very late. I used to miss the bus and wait. I used to stay at home all day and play my games and run away. When I was young, I had no plan. When I was young, I dreamed so big. While I am learning every day, I'm growing up in every way. I used to be so shy at school. I used to think I wasn't cool. When the teacher called my name, my face was red, I felt the same. When I was young, I had no plan. When I was young, I dreamed so big. While I am learning every day, I'm growing up in every way. While my friends are singing loud, I feel happy, I feel proud. While we study, while we play, we learn something every day. I used to fear the things I try, but now I look up at the sky. When I try and when I do, I see my dreams are coming true.